everyone, welcome to yet another video of Distraction Routes. Today I am here in Dubai and I am going for desert safari. I have booked my desert safari with Desert Adventures Dubai, and he is the guide who will be taking me around today. Your name?
Hello everyone. My name is Siad.
His name is Siad, so he'll be taking me around on this desert safari today, and I'm already in this vehicle. I asked him which vehicle. I was expecting a Land Cruiser actually. It is not a Land Cruiser. It's bigger than that. The name of the vehicle is?
It's Sequoia 5.7 cc V8 engine.
It's a Sequoia 5.7.
Yeah, cc.
5.7 and V8 engine.
Yeah.
So it's a V8 engine, so you can expect how much the power is, and you can see the reinforced metal here. It's just for the safety in case the vehicle turns upside down or something. It doesn't get crushed and the people inside are safe. So it's already reinforced for desert safari, and this is a must if you're going in the desert here for all the vehicles that is going into the desert. So here right now I am somewhere near a metro station. This is the green line going. So we'll catch you up with the action there at the desert safari. Finally, we've reached the camp here where the quad biking and buggies are all available. This is the car that we came in. This is what I told. It is a monster. It is seriously huge, and this is the name of it, Sequoia. It's a 5.7 liter V8 engine. Oh my god, a 5.7 liter engine is very much powerful, and we'll be going on dune bashing into the desert on this vehicle. Now we have come into this camp here. This is where quad bikes and such facilities are available. We've come on the road which leads to Hatta or Oman. This is the same way that we go to Hatta or Oman. This is the camp here. A lot of people around, a lot of tourists, and we can hire quad bikes to go around in the desert. We don't need license or anything of that sort. There is camel ride also available here. You can see these camels, good looking camels. This is the one for the ride. You can get on it and go for a ride. And there I find few cute camel babies. We just had a photo stop here in the middle of the desert. I'm walking in the desert. After done bashing in the desert, we have come to the camp here. This is where all the activities will be held, like fire show, tanura, belly dance and all such things. So we are entering into the camp, and there is camel ride happening, and this is in the middle of the desert, complete in the middle of desert, and we're going towards there. I had a great day today. It was too much fun. I am here at the event. I am still here at the camp, and it was a wonderful day. I had a lot of fun, done bashing, and all the programs here were very nice. Hope you all liked it. If you do like the video, please hit the like button and also share your comments. And please don't forget to subscribe. I think I have a sore throat, already having a great time. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.